Hey everybody, welcome back. So hopefully you were able to do the items that we did together in our last video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually perform the tasks that the workbook pages ask you for, put the screenshots on the respective pages, and then turn it in. So let's get going. All right, so you can see that I am in lesson 1 in domain 2. Right here, which is what you'll be working on today as well. This first page here that says document settings simply tells you to do something in Adobe Photoshop. It's simply asking you to make a new print document named Kitchen for Magazine. And here it's saying set the width and the height to 5 inches. So it's asking you basically to make a print document. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Photoshop. And I'm going to choose File, New. And I'm going to go to the Print section. Now, these different sections that you see up here are set. They're preset groups. So I'm going to go to Print, because it did say Print. And I believe it said, what was it, 3 by 5? I may have that wrong, because I don't quite remember. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and just guess 3 by 5. And let's see here, preset details. I'm going to go ahead and just name this Kitchen. I believe it asks you to name it something else, but I'm going to go ahead and just hit Create. And there it is. So for this, that's the entire activity, is just asking you to do that. I'm going to go back to, okay, the actual name of the document should have been Kitchen for Magazine, 3 by 5 inches. Resolution was 300 pixels per inch. That was already defaulted that way. The only thing I didn't do is make sure that the bit depth set to 16, but that's besides the point. What I really want you to do is make sure that you're able to create a canvas with those dimensions. Notice how I have a ruler here. If I right click on the ruler, I can go to inches and I can see that it's 3 by 5. So here's what you're going to give me. You're going to give me a screenshot of this. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot of this activity here. And in this case, I'm just going to make a whole screenshot of my entire screen. And then I'm going to save that inside my Unit 2 folder, because remember, we're inside Unit 2. I'll save it. And I'll go inside Unit 2. Save. Okay, so what do I do with that screenshot now that I made it? Well, this is where Adobe Acrobat comes into play. Come on, save, save. Okay, so once it's saved, I can close this, and I'm going to go to Adobe Acrobat. Now this task here was super easy. Believe me, what's new and weird for you is placing an image on this PDF that's already made, because you've never done that before. It's easy to do, guys, but you've never done it, so it's going to be kind of weird for the first time or two. So here I am in Adobe Acrobat, which I taught you to open up and use in the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and place that screenshot down here in this blank area. So to do that, I'm going to go up here to the upper left-hand corner area, and I'm going to click on the Edit section. And then scrolling down with my eyes, I'm going to see something that says Add Content, and I'm going to choose Image. I'll get a little dialog box that comes up, and I'm going to simply go to the right one. Unit 2, I'm browsing to my screenshot. There it is. I'll hit open. Shoot, what happened here? Unit 2. Back up. There it is. Open. So it's taking a little bit because I'm screen recording this as I do it, and it's bogging down my memory. Okay. So there it is. It places automatically, but it's kind of big. So I'm going to scale it down a little bit. Move it down. And scale it. Now it's okay to cover up some of the directions if you have to, but there, I just placed a screenshot onto my PDF. Now if you go to the second page, it's asking you to actually open up a file. Now this is the reason why we had those project files. This is asking you to open up a project file and make a custom preset. Okay, so it's going to say make a custom preset from this file, because the whole concept is, hey, we might be using this same document size a million times over as a professional, and you don't want to create one over and over again. So we're going to make a preset so we can just open up Photoshop and click our mouse and have our artboard set the way we want it to. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to go back to my Unit 2 folder. Get inside the domain 2 and click inside Follow Along Files. And they're going to look for that one document that says 212 preset. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Actually, I already have it open in Photoshop, so I'm just going to click on it. There it is. Okay. So this time it's asking you just to make a preset. So if I go to my home screen and choose New File, I can go to Recent, and I can also go to Saved. So Saved is where all your presets exist. I don't have any saved yet. So I'm going to go back to Recent. So here under Recent Items, I can see this is what we just made together a moment ago, and this is what I have up right now. This is that 212 preset. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a preset for this. And you do that by clicking on this little, what looks like a download icon. Now, again, guys, I need to make sure that you remember that I'm showing you this, and this is kind of I'm mimicking the video. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here. This is the video that you need to watch in order to know what he's doing. So let's go ahead and watch it together.
Including the one we just created. And it's selected. All the settings we chose for the Kitchen for the Magazine file are set. These sized pictures usually go in corners of pages of a magazine. Thus, let's save a document preset, a template with a set of settings for future images needing these specifications. To make a document preset, I will select what looks like a download icon. Name this document preset Corner Page Template.
And that's what he's doing, and then he would hit Save Preset. So let's go ahead and do that together. I'm going to hit the download icon. It looks like a download icon. It's not. It's a preset icon. Okay, and of course, Mr. Sco just forgot what the name of the preset was. Corner Page Template. Okay. Save preset. And there it is. So there's my preset. Notice that it's under the saved area. Now this time, guys, you're going to be making a screenshot of this because you need to prove to me that you made a preset. So again, you're going to be making a screenshot and you're going to be uploading it to that page the same exact way that you did the last one. So here it is. Here's my screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and just save it. It's going to default to the same place I saved my last one, hopefully. Nope, it's not going to. Okay, so got to go into here. Unit 2, and I'm going to save, there's my previous one, and I'll save it. There we go. So once you've done that, you're going to go back into Adobe Acrobat, and you're going to place that screenshot here. And then you're going to do this last activity, give me a screenshot proving me that you did it, and then you're going to choose from the menu here, Save. Save this to your Unit 2 folder, and you upload that to Canvas. So these activities that you see on these pages here are very simple. It's just learning how to make the screenshots, sticking them on the pages, saving them, and uploading them, which is new. So good luck, everybody, and we will talk to each other soon.